Hi, welcome back. Another important session. Question of the day 43. What is the prerequisite quality of service item in the OTC process in SAP ECC or S4 HANA? Let's see the options here. A, service item has separate item category group. B, service item does not have best schedule lines. Service order prices determined by using service master record. And service items is having valuation class and all of the above. Okay, in this one or more answers might be correct, or all might be wrong, or all might be correct. You can able to choose the choices, and you can able to write a comment below of this video in the comment section. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Currently I'm holding 780 plus videos, and all these are the different courses available at my end. Currently I'm having 5,863 students and 954 successful reviews, and I particularly and personally recommend these two courses: getting master to write a functional specification and real-time idoc drawing for SAP consultants with business. These two courses must have to do if you are a functional consultant. And if you are very specific about SAP SD, this is the right forum. The current course is 112 hours with 422 lectures. So all these are the different courses available. I'm just providing these links below of this video. Thanks so much. Thanks for joining this session. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. All the best.